Okay, everybody, this is meteorologist Patrick Dennis. Want to bring you update what's going on in our weather here for you this Sunday as we look ahead to the week ahead for us. Labor Day storms remaining a possibility. High temperatures a little bit lower. And what about a tropical system in the Gulf of Mexico? I'm already starting to see lots of shares on Facebook about this. I want to point out to you why we're still very uncertain of what can happen on this storm system. So make sure that you continue watching this here as we take a look at it. As far as rainfall so far, in the area, we saw some scattered thunderstorms for today, and it looks like still some scattered thunderstorms will be possible tonight. Now, a lot of it's already been decreasing for us across the area, so we'll have to see how it plays out. 74 degrees for by Monday morning, partly cloudy skies and warm temperature readings. Temperatures look like this here. We should be seeing those numbers there in the 70s for us as we make our way on into tomorrow morning. Happy Labor Day to you. If you got the day off, enjoy it. Forecast highs running in the middle 80s. That's what's expected. Pinpoint Doppler, once again, showing where the rainfall happens to be. So let's talk about our forecast. Futurecast shows us as we go towards, look at the top left-hand part of your screen there. Right there, I got the mouse, little pointer, 8 o'clock this evening. We work our way on through tonight into tomorrow morning. Could have a few patchy showers and thunderstorms across some areas of Louisiana and Texas, mainly south of Interstate 20. Spreading further north, though, as we work our way towards 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Through the daytime, a few scattered showers and thunderstorms remaining a possibility for us. So again, that's where our best rain chances happen to be as we go on into Tuesday morning. Maybe on Tuesday, rain chances not quite as great. But once we get to Wednesday, though, that's where we'll start to see maybe a little more activity. Now, all this rainfall that you see across parts of Texas and Louisiana, this is also associated with an upper low. This is not the tropical system that I'm talking about. It's not it. So what is the tropical system that I'm talking about here? Let's take a look right now. This over here, I'm going to try to point to it if you're able to see it there. This happens to be our little tropical system we're watching. It's, I guess you call it sort of a depression there. It's not really been formally named of anything as of yet. It has become a tropical storm before it's named. Forecasts. Now, here's the deal. This forecast right through the middle here, this is the Hurricane Center forecast for it. The cone here, that's what you got to look for, because I bet you this forecast is going to shift back and forth. Right now, though, it takes it towards the New Orleans area. New Orleans should, of course, monitor this storm. It could be a tropical storm that's about 60, 65 miles per hour. It could become still a weak hurricane. But here's the deal. If you notice just off to the right, this is our forecast model I'm using here, and everything's staying to the east of the official forecast. That's the reason why we got the cone here by the Hurricane Center. Then the arrow goes further inland towards Shreveport. Folks, let me tell you right now, this does not mean right now that this storm system's heading towards Shreveport. Could it? Sure it could. Will it be a tropical storm? I seriously doubt it right now. As this storm moves over land, it's going to lose its intensity of winds pretty fast. The biggest thing that we'll watch for, is it a concern? Yes, but we also need it. That's rainfall. But again, this system could move inland in Alabama and Mississippi and then not even impact us at all. That's one forecast model. But here's another one. It's going to take it over South Florida, and it's even a little bit further to the east, taking it towards Mobile, towards Pensacola area, then moves it inland as well. Other forecasts I've seen have been a little bit further to the west. But here's my deal, though. I am not the type here for sounding alarms, and I'm not sounding any alarms as of yet for the area. We'll have to watch and see. Be nice to see some rainfall in the region there, and, you know, sometimes these things bring a little bit too much too fast. But for us here in northwest Louisiana, East Texas, southwest Arkansas, southeast Oklahoma, we just need to watch this and see what happens. If these two forecast models develop that I just showed you, then it's not going to be as big of a player for us. By the way, if it does become a system, it will be our 7th one. It should be called Gordon. Florence is sitting way out in the Atlantic right now, and as of right now, does not pose a threat to us, the U.S. mainland. So here's your forecast overall. We're looking at 87 on Monday, 90 on Tuesday, 93 Wednesday, 91 on Thursday. Rain chances are bumped up a little bit towards the latter part of Wednesday and into Thursday because of what we have to wait and see what happens with that weather system. But folks, let me emphasize, please make sure you stay up to date on the latest. This forecast can change one way or the other, but right now, just monitor the weather just like you would any other day. Thanks so much. Have a great one.